Today I am reviewing MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, let's take a deep dive into the MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop, Model B13V 2678 US. This is a sleek and powerful gaming machine that balances performance, design, and affordability in a way that makes it stand out in the crowded gaming laptop market. If you're looking for a portable laptop that can handle the latest games, multitasking, and productivity without breaking the bank, this is definitely one to keep your eyes on. First, let's talk about performance, because that's the heart of any gaming laptop. The MSI Thin 15 is powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i7-13620H processor. This is a 10-core CPU with 16 threads, capable of reaching boost speeds up to 4.9 GHz. What does that mean for you as a gamer or creator? It means faster load times, smoother gameplay, and excellent multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running heavy applications like video editing software, this processor keeps up without slowing down. Now pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. This graphics card is built on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture and supports ray tracing, which simulates realistic lighting and reflections in your games. The RTX 4050 isn't just about visuals. It also uses DLSS 3 technology, which leverages AI to boost frame rates without compromising image quality. In practical terms, you can comfortably play modern titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Valorant, and Call of Duty Warzone at high settings with smooth performance. For esports titles, the 144Hz Full HD display is a perfect match, ensuring buttery smooth visuals and reduced input lag for competitive gameplay. Speaking of the display, the 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate is a real highlight of this laptop. Colors look vibrant, motion is fluid, and the matte finish helps reduce glare during long gaming or work sessions. For gamers, that high refresh rate means you won't miss those split-second movements in fast-paced shooters, and for students or professionals, it makes everyday use like scrolling and multitasking feel more responsive. In terms of memory and storage, MSI has equipped this Thin 15 with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD. 16 gigs of RAM is the sweet spot for modern gaming and multitasking, and it ensures you won't run into bottlenecks when switching between tasks. The NVMe SSD not only gives you plenty of space for your favorite games and applications, but it also provides blazing fast boot times and quick file transfers. And if you ever need more, both the RAM and storage are upgradable, which adds to this laptop's long-term value. Let's also touch on design, because MSI has done a great job making this laptop look modern without being over the top. The black, minimalist chassis has a professional look that works for gaming, school, or work environments. It's slim and lightweight compared to many gaming laptops, making it easier to carry around in a backpack. The backlit keyboard not only looks stylish, but also makes late-night gaming or working sessions much easier. Add in MSI's intelligent cooling and performance optimization features, and you've got a machine that balances power with efficiency. Connectivity is another strength of the MSI Thin 15. It includes Wi-Fi 6E for faster, more stable internet, Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless peripherals, and a healthy selection of ports including USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and headphone jacks. Whether you're connecting an external monitor, a gaming mouse, or extra storage, you'll have plenty of flexibility. On the audio side, the HD audio system with built-in speakers and microphone delivers clear sound, and while serious gamers might still want a headset for immersion, the laptop's audio performance is definitely solid for movies, calls, and casual gaming. Now, let's be real about the battery life. With its powerful hardware, the MSI Thin 15 isn't designed to last all day on battery. You can expect around 4 hours of use for lighter tasks like browsing or watching videos, but for gaming, you'll definitely want to keep it plugged in. This is pretty standard for gaming laptops in this performance range, so it's not really a downside, just something to keep in mind. Overall, the MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop strikes an excellent balance between performance, portability, and price. It's powerful enough to run modern games at smooth frame rates, versatile enough for students and professionals, and portable enough to carry around daily. With its 13th Gen Intel Core i7, RTX 4050 graphics, 16GB RAM, and fast SSD storage, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a future-ready laptop without overspending. If you're in the market for a gaming laptop under $1,200 that offers both performance and style, the MSI Thin 15 is definitely one of the best choices in 2025.